Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make kimchi easily. First, choose a fresh Napa cabbage, ideally weighing around 2 to 3 kilograms. Cut it into quarters, then chop each quarter into 2-inch pieces. Next, brine the cabbage with a half cup of salt for about 2 hours. This step is crucial for texture. After brining, rinse the cabbage thoroughly under cold water several times to remove excess salt, ensuring a balanced flavor. Now, let's prepare the flavorful kimchi paste. You'll need 1 cup of gochugaru, a 1/4 cup of fish sauce, and 2 tablespoons of sugar for sweetness. Incorporate 1 cup of grated Dakin radish, a half cup of minced garlic, and a 1/4 cup of minced ginger. For texture, add 2 tablespoons of glutinous rice flour paste, which helps bind the ingredients. This combination creates the iconic spicy and savory profile. With your cabbage ready and paste prepared, it's time to combine them. Wear gloves to protect your hands from the spice and thoroughly mix the paste into the cabbage. Ensure every piece is well coated. Once mixed, pack the kimchi tightly into a clean, airtight jar, leaving about 1 inch of headspace. This prevents overflow during fermentation and ensures proper anaerobic conditions for the best flavor development. After packing, let your kimchi ferment at room temperature for 1 to 2 days. You might see bubbles, which is a good sign of active fermentation. Once it reaches your desired tanginess, transfer the jar to the refrigerator. It will continue to ferment slowly and can be stored for up to several months. Enjoy your delicious homemade kimchi as a versatile side dish or incorporate it into your favorite recipes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.